How to download and sign up for Capital One mobile banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Capital One mobile banking app and log in or sign into your account. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. First of all, simply go to your Play Store and then in the search bar type for Capital One. Now download the app called Capital One Mobile, and once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now once you open the app, it will basically ask you to enter your username and your password. So simply enter both of those, and once you tap on the option sign in, which is right over here, you will have successfully signed in or logged into your Capital One Bank's online banking account. So that is basically how you download and sign in to your Capital One Bank's mobile banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.